now.
It may not felt like it, and we like to complain a lot, but this past winter in West Michigan was warmer than normal, resulting in less ice coverage than what we typically see on the Great Lakes.
And the lack of ice coverage is a sign of what's to come this summer with warmer water temps. As Haley Vaughn is here to show us, this could impact our fish and wildlife. Haley?
Yeah, Josh and Janice, while warmer water might be great for swimming this summer, it will also have a direct impact on our wildlife, not only in the Great Lakes, but our inland lakes, rivers, and streams as well.
And in years where it warms up early and stays hot, it can go to the point of just not being suitable at all.
Warmer water can threaten the habitats of some Michigan fish.
Trout, for example, they need really cold water with lots of oxygen in it.
And when temperatures spike, those fish are on the move.
When it warms up earlier in the year, they can, by the time we get to late summer, they may lose all of that habitat, so or be restricted to a much smaller area. So it can be very stressful for them.
Our inland lakes, rivers, and streams are much shallower than Lake Michigan, so they heat up faster, putting pressure on the fish that live there.
Those fish are going to have to go into some colder tributaries or find some spring seeps to try to survive the summertime.
And warmer water also means an earlier spawning season and earlier algae growth.
If we have severe algae blooms and it interferes with water clarity, a lot of our fish are visual feeders. So bluegill, for example, it can impede their ability to find food. So that can be a problem. The other thing that happens is if you have really dense weed or algae growth, while those things produce oxygen during the day, they use it at night. So you can have these oxygen crashes at night, and we sometimes see summer kills due to lack of oxygen.
The warmer climate can often lead to frequent and stronger storms with heavy rain, which creates additional stress.
When you have these really high flow events, it can interfere with trout reproduction. So once when those fish come out of the eggs, if we have really high flows, it can kind of just wash them downstream and we can lose a year of reproduction. Whenever the water is very quickly going up or going down, that's really stressful to them. And so that's a time where they can either that kills them directly or it just makes them more vulnerable to a disease outbreaks.
The DNR is actively working on ways to help our wildlife with our changing climate, focusing on resiliency.
We can't predict what the future is going to bring, so we try to prepare for everything.
So coming up tonight, the Fox 17 weather team is taking a deep dive into the Great Lakes. We discuss how warmer water in Lake Michigan could impact our summer season, daily weather patterns, agriculture, and our fishing industry. So tune in tonight at 7 and 11 p.m. for Water to Weather the Great Lake Effect. And I will say, you guys, we were out on the water, we were out on the lake, and it's really an incredible special that we put together. So I can't wait to show all of you.
Yeah, exciting to see it. You're making us jealous last week with the pictures of you being out on a boat.
Yes, it was incredible. I went to Fish GH in Grand Haven, and I cannot recommend it enough. It was incredible. So if you're maybe looking for a Father's Day gift, that's also a really good idea. But thankfully, our conditions are perfect for us for today, really.